What, Jay? Wait, what happened?
He likes to get touched.
On the Peter?
No, on the pen.
On the pen?
Yeah, pen is...
Oh, are you a pianist? Book. Hey, welcome back. What's up? We're gonna go to Integral to pick up our shift knobs of the first batch that's coming. I know you guys, especially the all-wheel drive guys, will like it. This is just for the all-wheel drive community, and there's another one for, you know, the regular standard driving. Let's give you guys a cold start. I know, that cold start was lame. Pretty soon I'm gonna be deleting my cats, and there's a bunch of stuff on here. All the mufflers, everything is on here. The only thing I got on here is a Tanabe axle back from the rear axle back right there. But yeah, I'm gonna delete the cat soon, and that'll be better cold start. Let's close the skate. Better steering wheel coming too. Then I gotta try to get an IS300 steering wheel, because you know everybody got an IS300. I mean, it looks better and everything. Can't wait to see these shift knobs though. Should be looking real good. I think we might go to the junkyard today, and one of our homies, NSX, should be coming in today also. The worst sign ever. Premium all day. Dang it. Good thing about living in Tampa Bay, most of our freeways are always, you know, good freeways. No potholes, no nothing like that to rip the car up. But some of the streets, you know, some of the streets are pretty bad. It's an old town, but you know, we're coming up, we're doing better bit by bit. Still ripping it. Yo, get it? What's up, brother? This guy's always busy. Oh, can't show you guys, top secret. Sweet.
Minute here.
Okay, no problem. This is the guy, G35. Wow, that's nice. All the magic happens right here.
Give me a second.
All right. It's nice and pretty. That's the real bling bling. It's a G35 on the job. Neuralin. That's a Neuralin, almost done. We're doing the etching on this thing now. The S1 build.
Very bright in here and it's shiny. And it's quick.
Quick, yep. That's it.
That's what we want. Well, look at that.
Yeah, you can definitely see from here. Yeah. Nice.
Hey, Kenny.
I'm calling the boss right now. The boss wants an update. What's up?
Hey.
Hey. Where's the boss man?
No.
Look, they're getting edge. Hold on, 1 second, 1 second. Let me flip the camera around.
We're not ready at all.
Oh. He's getting an edge right now.
It's gonna be a minute.
Okay.
Hey, Raj, you got any suggestions? Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Sweet. That's some laser for you. We call this guy right here Skywalker.
That way it looks nice.
Yeah, that looks nice. Yep. 001. We out. We got 3 finished product. Check it out. I'm gonna look at them, check them out, see any more additions, anything like that. Big shouts out to Integral for hooking us up. Elite, Integral Elite. They're a family, one family, and we always deal with them, so it's good looks. Peace. Back to the shop. Back at the shop. I know Maya's gonna be excited. She's been kind of down lately. Let's check it out. What's up, Mai?
Hey,
What's going on?
not that much.
How's your day?
What's going on with
Chilling.
you? Busy. Feeling better.
Oh yeah?
On calls defense and Tylenol, cold and flu.
Oh man. You've been down. I got a surprise for you.
What?
Cheer up.
What?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Real prototypes right there.
Yay.
They look good, right?
Oh my gosh, let me get them out. Ah.
Yep.
Wow.
Mint.
That looks awesome.
It's nice. Just have a good
SN. SN is supposed to be S1 underneath.
underneath. Oh
Yeah.
man.
But they have the
Says-
S1 on the side, so it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, no biggie. Actually, SN's fine for serial number.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay. All right. I didn't wear my
Thank you
glasses.
so much
Sorry.
for picking them up.
Yeah. No problem.
Can't wait until the rest of them get here.
Cool. Anything again for Mai? Let's see what the fellas are doing. What the get the see that shit? Man, what the hell? I just turned white for a minute. See that?
You're late.
Well, yeah, I'm late.
Where you been?
I've been at the
it's good.
machining place. Check it out. She's dancing with her shift knobs.
My shift knobs.
They came in?
Check them out.
Shift knobs.
That's a shift knob dance.
My
We doing?
forks.
Thanks, boy.
Forks.
You're gonna rust and eat pork.
Where's my forks? Where's my forks? Here we building.
Oh, new forks.
Alright, time to test them out, guys.
Yep.
My
Let's check them out. See if they fit. Homeboy's just banging away.
Look at this guy, look. Oh, I'm not hungry. My whole food's gone.
Here, just try it with that.
I'm gonna put it in
No.
slow-mo.
Slow-mo.
People are gonna start racking. You know what they're gonna say.
Where's that thing at?
And you're taking it off?
JJ over here feeding all the skinny guys.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Hey.
Just eating away. Seems like you just woke up, like long night.
Come hold the other side of the box real quick.
Can left hand do it?
Slow down. Finish your food.
These are done.
Okay.
So we got two other
Got it?
Okay.
No, you want
Oh, it's not coming. Oh.
Yeah, please.
Easier
I
when
can't.
it's in the
Yeah,
car.
so you want to hold it both hands?
There you go.
S1.
Oh, shit. Break you.
Broke it?
You break, you buy?
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Oh man. So I'm telling you, they're so heavy, man.
I know.
Wait.
Heavy.
You guys,
Holy smoke. Oh.
Do it.
look, step away. Both of you, all of you.
Wait, just touch them.
Okay.
Whoops.
Got it.
1, 2. Okay.
Got it. So you're gonna screw down the thing? God dang. Screw it up.
Look at that.
Nice.
Always right.
Sequential shifting. Right?
This thing is heavy.
I know,
Oh
dude.
my God.
Heavy as
Feels
crap.
really good.
But you know what?
Feels good, though.
They had a Type R1 out there, and the Type R1 is like almost the same. That little small thing. These guys said get the camera rolling. They're coming over with some surprise business. Honestly, no surprise. Oh, I see it. They're coming here right now. Let's see. Let's see what they got. Oh snap. What you got? What you got?
Shit, check out the knob spot on the back.
Nitrous, what? Man, you know, you're gonna blow the wells off your intake, man.
More than that. You know, we ran out of argon, so we had to make a quick stop.
Quick stop for the argon business.
Yeah, look at this thing, man. This thing was a beast.
Damn.
They're all looking at us.
God.
Just yo, you gotta.
But it's okay, because you got.
Next time I come, I'm gonna get the Windows Movie Maker.
Yeah.
All right, Ross, man.
Hopefully, I don't get caught up in traffic, man.
You won't. Check it out. Check out what else we got.
What else? What?
The one that we ported and all that for mac and cheese.
For mac and cheese?
Yep. So we got it all.
Nice.
Yeah.
Pour it up.
Yeah. And then we.
He's going black.
A little bung in here
Okay. Nice.
for him. So he came out good. Set DA arms.
Another set DA arms. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
So.
Hey, this is our pickup truck right here. The TL. How we roll. We ain't got a pickup truck, so this do. This be doing it. Look at this. Straight race.
But check out the TL though. 6 speed.
I know, 6 speed.
They don't make 6 speed in these years. We got the 6 speed. You know, what's next?
They don't make 6 speed this year?
No, not the 4-doors.
So how come the 6 speed's in it?
We swapped it.
For real?
Yeah, it's actually from a 03 CL. 03 CL. We took the full swap, everything.
Drop it in?
Yeah, we dropped it in and all that. So we're taking this thing out. This is about to be J to K all-wheel drive.
J to K?
J to K all-wheel drive. Soon. Turbo.
Man, giving out all these secrets, you better hop and do it. Somebody gonna jump on that. Some Taiwanese. Taiwanese. No, so all the copyrights and trademark went public. Somebody want to build it, go build it. If you keep, listen, people. If you keep knowledge away, you're embarrassment to knowledge itself. You're supposed to share knowledge, right?
That's it.
Share knowledge, right? Well, even for this guy, he don't get it. So there's a hole in the brain. Look, the back is plugged. The back of his have a hole. It's like leaking. Everything leaks out.
His hair is too damn tight.
Too tight. That's good. All change?
No, we're gonna do a turbo on this thing here. We're gonna.
Twins or
Yeah, no, quad.
a quad? Oh,
quad.
damn.
And supercharger.
And supercharged?
Yeah, to keep it with the cam theme, you know, four cams. So we're gonna do 4 turbos for each cams.
Yeah,
You know.
should be nice, man. Looking forward to the bill. Then all-wheel drive, right?
Man, shut your mouth.
All-wheel drive NSX coming soon. Look out.
All right. Now, the Ford Turbo was cool and all that, but then you're talking about all-wheel drive. You mess everything up.
Man, don't look for happiness, right? All-wheel drive.
That's it. Don't look for happiness. Buy an NSX.
Man,
That's why he's so happy. Look at him. See that?
I thought this was a paint job. It's a nice wrap, man. It's beautiful.
Also, don't go 107 down 19
Yep,
Yeah.
107.
Oh, yeah.
on a Sunday.
Public service announcement. Go ahead.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't
When
do that.
100 and what?
That's bad.
He said on a Sunday.
Go-
Don't do that any day, okay?
Go straight to court.
170 in a 50-mile zone.
Hey guys, thank you guys again for watching our everyday thing. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button on our channel. As always, we appreciate your love and support.